Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods, and in this video I'll be showing you designer chairs, or we can call them big boss chair also. Can be used as Guruji Gaddi, can be a special chair for someone special in our family or for gifting purpose or to someone really special. Boss chair for your home. In teak wood in walnut finishing with the black shading that you can see here, and this is the only part that is visible. Rest everything is covered by the fabric. The top design is as per the modern style of chairs. So this is a blended model of modern come classical style. The back height of the chair is 57 inches, a little less than 5 feet. Front to back, this is 32 inches, and left to right, 3 feet. Quite wide. I'll sit on it, and you can see how spacious the chair is and the overall look of the chair. The real Maharaja feel that we love in our chairs. This is just one product that I'm showing you in this video. Thousands of such products. It could be wood temples, sofa sets, dining sets, chairs, partition screens, swings, wardrobes, everything, every furniture product that we have in our house, be it a service trolley, the serving trolley, we have all those units in solid wood and with global delivery. We are delivering in 55 countries already, and Arson is an international trademark registered in 35 countries. The best thing we offer is one, solid wood. This is in solid teak wood. Second, best quality, because all the material that is used in this unit, be it the wood, the cushion part, the fabric part, the polishing components, are of top quality from the best companies, and the cushion is 40 density, so neither too soft nor too hard. When I'm sitting on it, you can see I'm not getting right inside the chair because it's not very soft, and I'm not sitting like this because it's not very hard. So I'm sitting comfortably, and the depth, if you see here, my knees are right to the end, and this is where you get the comfort. I'm a normal height person, and I'm getting quite comfortable sitting in this unit. The other thing about Arson is we make units as per your choice. So color, design, size, you want wider, you want smaller, you want lower height, you want more height, everything is as per requirement. You don't like the color of the fabric, let us know which color you want. We'll provide you the options. You can change the color and we will provide the same. You want the finishing, the polishing in different colors. We have got all the colors: natural finish, cherry, mahogany, then dual shade, triple shade, white, off-white, golden highlights, gold leafing, silver leafing, champagne leafing, and then you have all the other colors like antique gold, antique silver, rose gold. There are so many colors, then rust gold, champagne gold, and the colors are limitless. You pick what you like as per your home theme, as per the design you have, and we'll make it and deliver to your home in India or out of India, wherever you are. And the last thing is about the prices. We are arson and we are in a smaller town. Our expenses are quite less as compared to the people who are in big cities. We don't have too many costs, too many overheads. That is why we are providing and making the furniture in the lowest cost possible with the best material. And this is what is the benefit when you buy directly from Arson. We are the manufacturer, you are the receiver. There is no trader, no commission agent, no shopkeeper, no one in the middle to take extra charges or the profit part. So best prices from Arson, factory price, home delivery, best quality, export quality, and as per your choice. So nothing is better than this. We have thousands of videos on YouTube where you can see our range of products, and everything is listed on the website as well. Pick what you like, let us know what you like. We'll make it as per your choice and we will deliver at your home. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.